Several types of pumps are used on oil wells: beam pumps or sucker rod pumps, electric submersible pumps or ESPs, cavity pumps. There are other types of pumps as well, but in our course we will discuss these. Beam pump, or as they're also called sucker rod pumps, can pump hydrocarbon fluid containing up to 99% of water, up to 0.5% of solid, up to 25% of free gas, up to 0.1% of hydrogen sulfide. This fluid may have viscosity of up to 100 pascal seconds, salinity of up to 10 grams per liter, and temperature of up to 140 degrees centigrade. Such pumps can be installed at depth varying from 10 meters to 3 kilometers or even deeper. They consist of a surface part and a downhole part. The surface part includes the pumping unit, sometimes called donkey, and the wellhead equipment. The downhole part includes production tubing, pump hoses, deep well pump, and various protective devices which improve pumping performance in harsh environment. The distinctive feature of such pump is a plunger-style downhole, which is put in motion from the surface by the string of rods. Beam pump unit consists of a deep well pump, pump prods, production tubing connected to a flange or tube hanger, stuffing box seal, polished rod, pumping unit, pedestal, and tip. Deep well pump is protected by a gas or a sand filter. Such pumps has their disadvantages. They cannot be installed deep in wells, cannot pump large amounts of oil, and can operate in vertical wells only. Yet, they are cheap, reliable, and easy to install and operate. That's why these pumps are so popular. How do they work? The deep well pump is lowered into the well below the fluid surface. It consists of a cylinder, a plunger connected to a rod, and lower and upper valves. As the rod goes up, the lower valves open and the fluid enters the plunger. As the rod goes down, the lower valves close, the upper ones open, and the fluid goes up. Thus, stroke by stroke, fluid is lifted up to the surface. A typical beam pump can make 5 to 15 strokes per minute, and the length of each stroke, depending on the pump size, varies from 1 to 6 meters or even 12 meters if it's a gigantic tower pump. Beam pumps are powered by electric motors, yet gas motors can also be used. They use for fuel oil gas produced from the very same well. Pump control station assures steady pump operation and overload protection. Now let us turn to cavity pumps, which are somewhat of a novelty for the industry. Cavity bottom hole pump consists of the pump itself and a submersible motor similar to the ones used in electric submersible pumps. Cavity pump is a positive displacement pump. Its output directly depends on the rotary speed of a special rotor. The rotor sits tightly against the starter, forming a series of closed cavities. While the rotor rotates, the cavities move from the inlet to the outlet of the pump, and the fluid pumped moves along with the cavities. Cavity pumps are used when the oil is very viscous or contains a lot of solids or gas. in conditions where an electric submersible pumps will most probably fail.